Okay. All right. Back here yet again, but this time for tires. So I'm gonna show you that again.
Damn, bitch, you fine. Fuck.
That was a pretty fun excuse to get out and go get the paperwork done for the car last time. And finally getting, well, after what, 3 days of waiting for tires, gonna get the tires on. So we've got two 65, 35, 19s and two 35, right? Yeah, two 35, 19. And my wife's tires, Goodyear, 285, 35, 22. So and getting some 13s on the front. '17s on the rear. So let's get that done. While we wait and get things situated here soon and get those tires on. So we got almost done. So that's coming up. Oh, and I want to show you guys too, if you guys are looking to do anything wrapping wise and you're in my area in San Gabriel Valley, Rosemead area, okay, check out, they do wrap. It's pretty dope. So something to look at if you guys are wanting to do wrapping for your vehicle or bikes. So Alright, so that was that. Tires were done, we're good to go. Back in the car. And that's on me. That's on me.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
So I'll get well, I got some footage in, got my tires in at my location, didn't take that long, and that's pretty cool. So everything's done. definitely have better grip though now. I can feel that.
2 days later.
Porsche number 2, which is my wife's, and get her tires done. So let's take care of that. I wish there's a way I can hold this while I'm doing this, but of course I don't have anything to hold it, which means I'm doing it by hand. And it's hot as hell up in here. Okay. And let's go. I'll get you guys actually when I get over to the other location, so let's fast warp it right about now. Alright. And we're getting started. So, getting the wife's parts done for her vehicle, and then tires will be done on hers, tires will be done on mine, and then we're done. So, switching the tires, getting the old tire sensors onto the new tires, and then working that out. So we should be finished with that pretty soon here. So odd to just see her up like that, unless she's like a four-wheeler. All right, let's hopefully get this done.
Get her done!
Jag blir chockad and face you. Jag blir chockad and face you. Jag blir chockad and face you. Jag blir chockad and face you.
Finally done. It should go off eventually, right?
Yeah, it should go off. If not, I have to use the computer instead.
Okay.
It should go off. If it doesn't have to read a computer.
Okay.
But you need to drive first.
Yeah, it's just a while
So-
for it to read and then...
Yeah, so I can know the fog code, and then I will clear it and know which one is the correct.
Yeah, no problem. Cool. Okay. Is there a cone still behind me or what? Yep, cone's still there. All right, tires are a success for both cars. Hopefully you guys liked the little cinematics I did. A little fun with that, with those nice cars that this shop owns and works on. Oh my gosh. Dude, let's go! Fucking granny? Jesus. I swear it's not road rage. It's just people don't know how to drive out here, and it's horrible. I live in like the center of like Asianville. So, nothing against Asians. My fiance is Asian, so just a lot of people, I don't know how they get the license out here. They just expect everybody just to abide by them, and it sucks because they suck at driving. But anyways, back onto it. So, try to do these videos as much as I can possible. I hope you guys like them. You know, I'm trying to do as much as I can on features and stuff like that. The shop that I got my Porsche from, they're going to be doing some photo shoots pretty soon, so they're going to ask for my help using my drone and you know, my camera work and stuff like that. So that should be something pretty cool to be doing pretty soon. Maybe I'll get some footage of my Porsche in the mix of these other cars that they're going to be doing a photo shoot with. So that's something that's going to be coming up in the near future, hopefully. So the shop's pretty cool. FSC LA. They are in basically Rosemead area. They work on, like I said before, a lot of exotics from Lamborghini, Porsches, Ferraris, McLarens, and then they do, you know, imports with Skylines and different work on that. They do a lot of vinyl work for wrapping on vehicles. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. It's pretty cool to see 120 subs so far when I started off at, you know, 0. So it's pretty cool to know that even for a handful of people, I'm still getting recognized. You know, people are liking and adding themselves to the page, and you know, hopefully my editing is getting better and better throughout the time as I make these videos. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that little red box on the bottom, and you know, enjoy what I have to offer with my footage. So like I said, thank you again. Thank you for subscribing, and keep watching, keep enjoying what I do, keep enjoying, you know, what I bring you guys into on my, you know, daily life experiences, either on the motorcycle or on 4 wheels with the Porsche, and with my wife, and you know, our little adventures that we go through and stuff like that as well. So like I said, thank you, and hopefully I have more to show you guys. So this is Robert, and I'll hit you guys out on the next episode. So comment, like, subscribe. Hit you guys next time. Peace.
Yeehaw!
The end product should be something like, and that's how you do it. Don't forget. Never forget.